Hey Tyler, this is Eddie, Multi-Man Services. I was able to swing by here. I'm glad I had a chance to swing by here quick out of our super busy schedule. So while I'm here real quick, I'd like to talk a little bit about how we go about doing our service, what you can expect when we get here, and a couple of things that we noticed that you might not be noticing while we're here. We'll point those out. If you'd like to do something about them, we can offer a solution for those as well. So as you can see, we use video to more effectively communicate with our clients. Multi-Man Services, we are a roof rejuvenation dealership where we help people extend the life of their roof. So real quick, getting into the siding washing, your north side here looks like you have a lot of green algae over here. So the way we go about doing that is we do it all from the ground, no ladders, no scaffolding, and no high pressure. Our detergent breaks down all that algae. We give you a 2-year no green algae guarantee. And the benefit of that is if any algae comes back after we're done washing your home within 2 years, we'll come back and wash it for you at no cost. And after that algae disappears with our detergent, we rinse it down with no more pressure than garden hose, so you don't have to worry about any water damaging going behind your siding. Super effective process here. A couple of things I also noticed is that you have this big giant birch tree just on this side of your house. The rest of your house isn't really affected, but pretty much all of these gutters from here to the back side there are affected and full of debris and not functioning properly. If you don't have any problems in your basement, probably not a big deal, but I would suggest to maybe extend these a bit further. 6 feet is usually the minimum. And if you look at your bottom of your gutters here, you can see the mold and mildew starting to develop there, and that's definitely what we're going to remove and take care of. Your home is brighten up and look super nice after we get done. But wanted to point out something here that you're aware of. As you can see, we got a shingle that's fallen off your roof there, and all the shingle granulars that's coming off your roof. These are little bits of shingle gravel. Completely normal process for roofs to do that over time. The aggregate that protects the asphalt or the petrochemicals in your shingles, allergies are bothering me nowadays, but the petrochemicals in the shingles will get dried out over time when those gravel, starts to come off your roof, and it's completely normal, but there is a way to prevent that from happening and slow that process down. So I invite you to check out this video that will help you prevent premature failure of your roof. And oftentimes if you look around your neighborhood, you'll see shingles that are just getting dried out quicker. They promise you 30, 50 years lifetime or whatever, but just like your car or your teeth, if you don't do any maintenance or preventative work, it doesn't really do anything. So this could cost you tens of thousands of dollars to replace down the road, but being proactive about maintenance. So check out this quick video after this, and I invite you to pick the bundle or service that best meets your needs down below. Thanks so much. Take care, Tyler.
Introducing RoofMax, the first professional and affordable roofing treatment that is scientifically proven to reduce an asphalt roof's aging process. With RoofMax, you'll have the protection of a brand new roof and save thousands. RoofMax's skilled technicians apply a safe, effective, and affordable natural treatment. And within hours, you have a roof that performs like a new roof. RoofMax's exclusive treatment resaturates old, dried shingles with a natural, bio-friendly formula that quickly restores flexibility and water-repelling protection guaranteed. So a RoofMax roof can also pass a home inspection if you're getting ready to sell, or for insurance, saving you.
Everyone agrees that gutters should be protected from leaves and debris so they don't clog and overflow next to your home. A 1-inch rain on an average roof equals 1,550 gallons of water, and all that water overflowing your gutters causes erosion of mulch, damages or drowns your plantings, can fill basement window wells and crawl space access wells, and contribute to a wet basement or crawl space. It can even cause cracked, bowing, and settling foundations with hydrostatic pressure and expanding soils. The options have been screens that snag debris, collapse, and need to be cleaned themselves, covers that go under the second or third course of shingles that are unsightly and cause roof problems, filters that are flat and get covered with leaves and debris, and algae growing on them clogs them and they need to be cleaned. But you don't want to clean your gutters or your gutter guards. Raindrop is the best gutter guard and the last one you'll ever need. Raindrop has smooth edges and won't snag debris, and it won't clog on top like so many others. Raindrop is pitched and keeps out clogging debris with its self-cleaning design. Leaves go right over it and water goes right in. And it takes lots of water fast. It handles heavy rain. And Raindrop is really strong. It's made of resilient material that doesn't dent like screens and other guards. Ice sliding off roofs ruins many gutters in the winter. Raindrop sheds ice with no damage at all. Raindrop doesn't change the look of your home. It's invisible from the ground. Option 1 is a drop-in style, and option 2 is under the shingles. Proven for 20 years with no customer complaints, Raindrop is the last gutter guard you'll ever need.